Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to get 1000 tokens, 100,000 tokens, sorry. Just follow this video step by step. To receive this reward you need just your username. As you can see, this is my Blooket username, DragonXXL. Now I open a new tab and here I searching www Go Token Pro. You need enter on this website Go Token Pro to receive the reward, to collect the reward. Token events offer free token. Here you choose how much token do you want. I select maximum 100,000 tokens. I enter my username Dragon XXL, as you can see. Blooket username, press generate, generating is running, don't close or refresh the page. Now I wait for loading to receive my tokens. As you can see, this is people status, this is website status, sorry. Status online, last update 2 days ago, online user, total user. This is reset activity. As you can see, this person use desktop, this person use desktop, this person use iOS. You can use Android and iOS or desktop. Recommended is desktop, but you can use your phone, for example. Now I use my computer for this tutorial. This is remember, this generator is safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. You never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. As you can see, when we sending resource, generating resource. This is people comments, very much positive comments. You can add the comments on this button, but I don't add the comments now. Success. As you can see, Dragon XXL is connected. Resources ready. Transfer to user. How does this work? For complete enough partner survey, granted one time free tokens. You don't like a robot preview that you're human, click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Verify now. Human verification request, verify survey. Complete the request below and block your token bot was in your account. You understand? You need to complete one of these survey to receive the reward. You can select view more for more survey. As you can see, I select first survey. I need to send a SMS on this text with this number to receive the reward. Now guys, I put the video on pause because I can send a SMS and record it at the same time. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now I put the video on pause and I'll be back. Guys, I send the SMS. Now you can check here. I return on this tab and as you can see, now it's finished. Now you can return in your Blooket page. And as you can see, I received this notification. Congratulations, you have received 100,000 tokens from Blooket sponsors. I press climb, and now in my Blooket account, as you can see, Dragon XXL, I received the tokens. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye bye.